How to web scrape users who liked an Instagram picture? How would I go about gathering this kind of data from Instagram? For a web scraping project, I tried myself to get it using Beautiful Soup and requests true parsing the whole page. But it doesn't work.
If it is not a requirement for you to use Beautiful Soup and parse the HTML response yourself, there is InstallLoader, a Python library that allows to access Instagram very easily. After doing pip install InstallLoader to install it, you can do. Then, post.get_likes returns an iterator over the profiles that have liked a post, so to print all the usernames, you can do. Besides being an easy solution, InstallLoader has also the advantage that it handles rate limiting automatically, and that it supports handling login and accessing posts of private profiles.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.